Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open Alight Motion and create a new project with your desired canvas size and frame rate. Import your character art and the audio file with the recorded dialogue into the timeline layer. Trim the audio and mark key phoneme positions using precise timeline splits at each syllable. Create a mouth group with open, closed, and vowel mouth shapes on separate layers. Lock other layers and isolate the mouth group to make tweening simpler and less error-prone. Place the mouth layer above the face layer and align it to the jaw pivot point. Set keyframes for each mouth shape at the phoneme markers you created on the audio. Use Alight Motion's Tween easing to interpolate between shapes with smooth scale and position transitions. Adjust timing by nudging keyframes in one-frame increments to match audio envelopes precisely. Preview at normal speed and at half speed to evaluate lip closure accuracy and timing offsets. Refine curves by editing the motion path and Bezier handles for natural mouth arcs during speech. Add subtle rotation and scale variations to mimic jaw movement and soft lip deformation. Apply opacity crossfades for blended morphs when phonemes require partial mouth overlaps. Render a short loop and compare waveform peaks to mouth peaks, tweaking until they align. Export the final video with alpha or compressed format based on compositing needs and platform limits.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.